So if you're tired of water shooting up your butt when you're riding your bike, run to the recycle bin and you don't have any money or time, tear a piece of cardboard off of an old 18 pack or 12 pack, run back to your bike, and then here you have a few options. So I've got a bike bag with loops on the bottom. So you fold it up. This is the worst handheld one-take video on YouTube, by the way. Fold it like that. Now, you can cut some grooves in it if there's anything for it to catch onto. So I would put it down in this loop here. So I cut some tabs in it to keep it from sliding out, and that'll keep it secure. But let's say you don't have an under bike bag. Well, there's these frame rails. So you can put it under there. And then your old friend, Mr. Gorilla Tape, lock it in place. Bike definitely gains a little curb appeal. It's almost like you have a sponsor, the King of Beers, almost like you're Dale Earnhardt Jr. And then there you go, no more water up your butt, cost you nothing. It took you 1 minute and 7 seconds, 8 seconds, 9 seconds, and counting to do it, and you won't get hepatitis up your butt when you ride through the puddles on the bike path.
And you'll look super classy on the beach with this thing under your butt.